In this video, we're going to look at simplifying radical expressions or radicals, and then we'll move into more complex expressions. So starting off, what I like to do is identify my index. And remember, your index is a thing that sits out here on the bar. If you don't see it, it's an understood 2. Now remember, this 2 tells you how many things must be grouped together in order to pull outside the radical sign. After you do that, you take the prime factorization of numbers and you just expand numbers. So 125 is 5, 25, 5, 5. And again, I just highlight or make notes of my prime numbers. So 125, 5, 5, 5, n, well, it's just n. From here, you would circle groups of 2s, both numbers and letters or variables. Okay. So this is going to be square root 5, 5, 5 times n. Right, and I have one group of 5 circled. What I'm going to do with that group of 5 is bring it outside here. So it's going to be 5 square root, whatever's left over, you multiply, just like we did when we were factoring. All right. Now, because I'm changing the way something looks, or I'm simplifying it, however you want to think about it, I'm going to go to Desmos, and I'm going to go y equals square root 125n. I get a graph, and I'm going to go y equals 5 square root 5 n, and again you can see the red and the blue graph overlap, therefore I know my answers are correct. I'm going to do one just a little bit more complicated with 2 variables. I lied, not with 2 variables, but we'll do something with the numbers outside. So again, process, same thing. Find my index. My index is 3. Find the prime factorization of my numbers. 40, so 2 times 20. 20 is 2 times 10. 2 times 5. Y to the 8th is just 8 y's. All right, and then again, I want to circle things that can be grouped together. And again, your index number tells you how many must be in a group. So I got 3 2s. I make a group. Gotta have 3 y's. Have another 3 y's. And instead of writing this again, I'm going to skip a step. Okay, so I'm going to have -2 times one group of 2s. So one group of 2s times x times one of the y's, and then I also have another y. Cube root whatever's left over, which is 5 times y times y. I simplify this by multiplying my numbers. Negative 2 times 2 is 4, but it's a negative. X is by itself. Y times y is y squared. Cube root 5y squared.